Hello everybody, Steve here, and today we have another challenge lock to work on today. So let's get zoomed in here. So this challenge lock, here's the lock, here's the key. There's the only marks that I can see is here on the front that says FS, and but I don't see any other kind of marks on here. But so this is a little challenge lock called FS, and we do have the key, and it does work. It does work. It did work. Did I break it? There we go. That was weird. Anyway, yeah, it does work. So let's get this in my vise here, and get this picked. So with these locks, I mean, after a while, if I don't have a little hand vise or anything else, so after a little while trying to hold these guys, it makes my hands hurt. So I just go straight for the vise for these kind of locks, and it does work. I mean, the back end is kind of hitting the edge of the vise a little bit, but we can tell when it gets opened. So with this lock, I'm going to use just this multi-pick 1mm wrench in the top of the keyway, and then I will use my Jimmy Long's flat hook or short hook with the flat tip. There we go. You can tell it's getting a lot of use. Anyway, so just not really heavy tension, just kind of light, medium tension. And I'll just start on pin 1. Get a click out of that one. And where I'm gotta know where I'm at in the lock. Anyway, so pin 1, pin 2. I think this is a 5-pin or 6-pin lock. Pin 3. Pin 4. Go a little bit more, a little bit of a false set there. Pin 5, or am I still on 4? I think I'm still on 4. Pin 5, gotta click out of that one. And pin 6, there's a good false set there. So I'll start at the beginning, start working back, find where my hang up is. 1, 2, 3, nothing, maybe, and 4, little click, yeah, a little touch on 4, and there we go, we got it open. Well, that wasn't too bad. So you can see that it is open. And let's, oh, I forgot to get my gutting stuff out. Of course, I forget something. Not too bad, just right here. It's just a little screwdriver. Yeah, just a little screwdriver. And so we can see that it is unlocked. Lock it back up. Get a shim out and ready. Just unscrew this. Get my key in there. Get the shim in there. Always shim. Better safe than sorry. Get that turned and then put the shim in. Okay. And now the follower. I think that's the right size. Yeah, it is. There we go. Wow, look at those pins. You can kind of see that already. Look at that, number 3. So 5-pin lock. Is that what I said, or did I say 6? I thought I said, I don't know. It ain't matter, does it? We can definitely tell when we get it gutted. Stay lock. So pin 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Get these turned right. Okay. And now for the inside, take my shim out. Pin 1, not a very strong pin, spring. Pin 2. Maybe I should get the springs out too at the same time so we can see. Pin 3. Come on, I got you there. It's a key pin there. Come on, spring. There we go. Stay in the right spot. And pin 5. Well, that's a lot of fun there. So first of all, let's take a look at the pins. Well, we can look at the cord itself. So, I have my little inspection camera. Maybe I was thinking that if I tried this out today, see how it works. Then we can kind of see it a little bit better. So there's pin 5, chamber 5, 4, 3. Looks like some over milling, it looks like to me. I'm not the best at calling all these mods out, but so there we go. That's the core. And let's try this out and see what this is like. So I have a little mirror for my for my inspection camera. So let's try that out and see how that works. Well, we can kind of see. Maybe turn up the light on that. Yeah, that doesn't help. I'm just kind of curious on seeing if this inspection camera would work. You can see up in the Bible, but it's not really, can't really tell. Can't really tell much. So if I look in here with this core, you can see a little lip when you go down into 1 and 2. So it's like over milling type thing. 3 is nothing. 4 is nothing, and 5 is nothing. So there are just 1 and 2 have that over milling. I guess you could call that step and undercutting. I can feel that. I can feel that on chambers 1 and 2. And in the core, it all looks just normal to me. Nothing done in the Bible. So just the core work and these pins. So let's take a good look at these pins. And yeah, those are pretty neat looking pins. Pretty good job. I don't know who did this lock. No maker on that one, but there we have it. It's pretty good looking. Anyway, well, that's 12 minutes and wasting time with that inspection camera. I don't think it did as good a job as I was hoping, but it was worth a shot. But anyway, thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and you do like this video, and definitely make sure that you leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.